Exclusive equipment was introduced in Dark War Survival. Have you unlocked it? Welcome back to the Meta Instincts channel. Today's video will guide you through the first exclusive weapon, the Endgame Echoes. Exclusive equipment. Exclusive equipment is not a set of equipment like the standard orange equipment. They are different things and can't replace each other. Perhaps we still need to equip the hero with the standard equipment. Exclusive equipment is explicitly tied to each hero, meaning it cannot be transferred to another hero. For example, Tristan is the first hero to access exclusive equipment, which can be identified in the top right corner of the hero's information. More exclusive equipment should be available soon. Exclusive equipment also utilizes a star system similar to that of heroes. We need to use exclusive equipment fragments to unlock and level up the star level of exclusive equipment. However, the number of fragments required for upgrades is more than that needed for heroes. For instance, it takes 17 fragments to upgrade exclusive equipment to 1 star, while a hero only requires 10 fragments. If you're buying a bundle in Dark War Survival, GemZ is ready to help you save more and get more value. GemZ helps thousands of players save digital taxes and offers up to 15% discount on bundles. For example, UK players would pay over $125 for the same bundle, which only sells at $100 for the US players. With GemZ, it's just $87.99, saving over 30% from digital tax and discount, and you save even more as you spend. Plus, first-time users will get a $10 credit for any bundle. Inviting friends can earn you an additional $20 in in-game rewards. Take advantage of flash deals and giveaways on their Discord server. Click the link in the description and start saving today with GemZ. Functions. Exclusive equipment serves 2 functions, skill and attributes. First, it introduces a new skill to the hero. For example, the Endgame Echoes adds the Twin Ballistics skill to Tristan, which allows him to deal extra damage when he uses his active skill. Second, this equipment increases troop damage, troop HP, and the faction counter. Leveling up the star level of the equipment will improve both the skill level and the attributes. Furthermore, we will unlock the exclusive hero frame once the equipment reaches 5 stars. How to get? We need 10 exclusive equipment fragments to unlock the exclusive and additional fragments to upgrade its star level. Unfortunately, these fragments are currently not available for free. We are unsure if the developer will release some free method soon. We can purchase 90 fragments for $20 through the exclusive equipment pass. The special bundle offers 10 fragments for $5, a more expensive option. Obtaining 90 fragments will allow us to upgrade the exclusive equipment to 2 stars, providing our hero over 750,000 CP. While this item is tempting, we don't feel it's an urgent purchase we must make immediately. What are your thoughts? Would you consider buying it? Please share your thoughts in the comments. Alright, it is the end of the sharing today. Please like and share it with your members. I'm Alan from Meta Instincts. See you soon.